Advanced Engineering's SRV652-BUDDY is an inline configuration of the SRV652, offering exceptional flexibility for loading and unloading within a production line. With a custom-made, in-house developed robot arm, it ensures maximum precision and productivity. Furthermore, this system can seamlessly integrate a pass-through transfer, failure board storage, and an overflow buffer into a compact mechanization. The Servant Buddy not only provides double sheet detection and separation, but also handles slip sheets effectively. To ensure precise panel alignment before downstream processing, it incorporates an integrated centering unit. Automatic format recognition and user-friendly pull-out magazines simplify daily operations. With an optionally selectable Bernoulli gripper, the SRV652-BUDDY effortlessly lifts panels weighing up to 3.4 kilograms. The newly designed housing, complemented by an optional filter fan unit, prevents unwanted particle contamination during the handling process. Thanks to the in-house developed control concept, Advanced Engineering can flexibly respond to customer requirements and implement them with minimal lead time. The SRV652-BUDDY represents a valuable addition to fully automated PCB manufacturing processes, enhancing efficiency and productivity.